Hello everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Season Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much. Your girl really does appreciate it and welcome back. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed, you know what to do, but more importantly, why not? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Become a part of the Season Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you, and there is more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, our video on today, we will be unboxing our Ipsy Glam Bag X. Okay, and for those of you who are not familiar with Glam Bag X, just another tier on the Ipsy Glam Bag. Well, actually, a part of the Ipsy Glam Bag collection. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to jump right in so we can find out what's in this Glam Bag X. And to make sure that you have the right information, if you want to try it, I will make sure there is a link down below so you'll have all of the information and easily accessible. So when I So when I open it up, the first thing we have is the Glam Bag X magazine. I'm gonna say it's a newsletter. Now, of course, it's been all over the place, so everyone knows this is the bag that was curated with, which one of these Kardashians is this? Khloe Kardashian, okay? So, let's just go right ahead and jump in, see what's going on, okay? Alrighty, so it says, your invitation to glam. She says, welcome to her world. She's so excited to have you. So, we do have quite a few items in the Glam Bag X. Some of them I have already because they've come in other subscription services, or I have purchased them on my own. Well, as you know, with the Glam Bag X, they choose items for us and then we go in and choose 3 more items, okay? So that is what I did, that is what they did, and we're gonna check them out. All right, and as you know, with Ipsy, all tiers, regardless of which one, they no longer put in a description card. So in order for us to have all of the most accurate information, we actually have to pull it online, which is what I'm doing just for you. All right, the very first item that we have is by 111 Skin, and this is the Rose Gold Radiance Booster. And it says, this booster serum is your ultimate secret weapon for a dewy glow. It's full of rose water, niacinamide to brighten skin, hyaluronic acid to create a plumping effect, and a tiny light reflecting gold particles to instantly illuminate your complexion. As I stated, this is a full size product, and the manufacturer suggested retail price for this item, y'all know 111 Skin is super expensive. It is $135, okay? The packaging is gorgeous. I'm not gonna open the product because y'all know I have a thing about shelf life. But this is what the gorgeous, gorgeous packaging looks like, okay? And it says, shake well before each use and mix 1 to 2 drops into the palm of your hand. And then, okay, apply directly to your skin after cleansing, okay? So I know that you're familiar with that. You've heard it several times, even here on this channel, okay? So then the next item that we have is by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And this is the brow pen. Y'all know I am very familiar with the brow pen. This is in dark brown. Okay, it's always very sleek and black. Okay, this is the packaging, and it says to add detail, a definition, and dimension to sparse brows with this multitasking pen. The specially designed brush has a superfine tip that won't clog or skip. It'll just create realistic looking brows. And it is waterproof, okay? The manufacturer suggested retail price for this one, and yes, it is a full size, is $22. Now, this one, I've already switched. I started using my iconic London brow product, but I always love Anastasia Beverly Hills for brow products. Amazing all the time. All the time, okay? Then our next item, alrighty, is by MAC. And this is the Love Me lipstick. And the shade that I have is called Bated Breath, and it is number 408. And this description says, one swipe gives you the best of both worlds. Long-lasting moisture and intense weightless color. It's the perfect warm pink brown shade in a soft satin finish. And I love this MAC Bullet look. This is gorgeous. Okay. Ooh, this is pretty. Here we go. And that's this shade right here. Okay. It's not much more I can tell you about MAC that you do not already know. MAC has been on the market for a very long time. And most makeup artists back in the day, that was all they swore by, was MAC Cosmetics. So that one is item number 3. The next item that I have is called Pink Diamond Cleansing Balm, and this is by Radiance. And this says lift and illuminate. Okay. This is what the packaging looks like. And it's a, let's see the size. Oh, 3.4 fluid ounce size, so 100 milliliters. Okay. So our description says removes debris, excess oil, and makeup. Yep, even the waterproof kind. With this luxurious cleansing balm, it's infused with vitamin E, sweet almond oil, and rice germ oil to nourish your skin. Your face will never feel tight or dry after you cleanse. Okay? So, let me see. Is it sealed? Yeah, it does have a seal on it. So, once we're ready, we'll be pulling it out. I'm really particular about what I put on my skin, but we'll see what happens with that one. Now, it says, this is hilarious to me. I understand that Chloe helped to create or to curate this box, but this website says more reasons you'll love it. This Khloe Kardashian favorite can tackle even the heaviest makeup look with ease. Okay, I'm not that person, but some people may be, so I'm not knocking it, if that's your thing. But for me, I use it if that's what I like, not because that's what somebody else likes, but whatever floats your boat, okay? So then, this is the last item chosen for me by Ipsy, and this one is the One Size by Patrick Starr. And this is the Visionary Eyeshadow Palette. I can honestly say I have never tried anything by Patrick Starr. So, let's just see. The description says, full of makeup artist Patrick Starr's forever favorites, this 15 shade palette Features neutral shades and pops of colors in mattes and shimmery finishes that can be used from your morning Zoom meeting to IRL's date night, okay? The manufacturer suggested retail price for this palette is $42. Now, I must admit, the packaging is always nice, even though right now this one is a little challenging. Okay, interesting. Okay, this is what the palette looks like, and these, it does come with a full-size mirror, and these are the shades. Can you see that a little better? Okay, and that's an interesting logo. Actually, to me, Patrick Starr is rather hilarious, but nonetheless. Okay, I am feeling the shades that are in this palette. I cannot lie. I am definitely feeling these shades. Especially, y'all know I have a thing about greens. So, this one right here is called Olive It. Look at that. Definitely feeling that one right there. And this one right here is called Matcha. I can always use a fantastic blue. This one does have some shimmery specks in it, and it's called Blue Mondew. Okay, so let's go ahead and swatch a couple. Woo, look at that pigmentation right there. Okay, so we'll do that one. I'm going to try Matcha and, of course, Olive It. And here are these three shades, okay? And let's see how they swatch. Okay, definitely here for it. Look at that. Very, very nice. Very nice. Okay. Okay. All right. So what are your thoughts on that? Oh, and it is a beautiful full-size mirror. Okay, and the next three items that I share with you are items that I myself chose for me, okay? And the first one is the Continuous Setting Spray by MORPHE. Love it, love it, love it. You don't have to worry about specs and things like that. It comes out in a nice stream and it lasts as you spray it on. Okay, so let's just check the details about it, all right? And this is a 2.8, which is a full-size spray. And our description says, this microfine mist sets liquid or powder makeup with a radiant finish. That means no melting, caking, or creasing. We promise you'll be obsessed. And I am. I really do like this. Really, really like it, okay? And the manufacturer suggested retail price for this one, it is not overly expensive at all. It is $16, okay? Love, love, love this product. I would definitely suggest that you try this one out. And this one says, defend your artistry. Put all your makeup on and then 5 minutes later, you're sweating it off. You don't have to worry about that when you use this product, okay? Then the next one is by Dr. Brandt. And this one is the Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner. Not the one that you put on the floor. Okay, it deep cleanses your pores. I cannot joke. I constantly purchase this one, but I love Dr. Brandt products anyway. They work great on my skin. Okay, and this one is a 1 ounce size with a 12-month shelf life. And our description card says, well, our description reads, clogged pores, meet your worst enemy. This mask gets rid of stubborn blackheads with a combo of AHAs and BHAs. Together, they dissolve dead skin cells and buildup, oil absorbing mineral powders, and pore refining rose extract. Love, love, love this stuff. Manufacturer suggested retail price, $42. Is this on my recommendation list? Absolutely. It does just what it says. Love it. I think you'll like it too. Let me know down below if you get it and if you decide to try it. I think you should. I really do believe that you would like it. Then the last item that I have is by Kapari, and this one is a CBD recovery balm. That's interesting. And it says this is a 2.5 fluid ounce size, vegan, cruelty-free, and phthalate-free. And it says soothe and recover. Okay, and the description says powered by moisturizing coconut extract and soothing CBD. This balm zeroes in on tension and inflammation to relieve pain for instant relief. That is why I chose this one, okay? So is that enough said right there or what? This is what the inside packaging looks like. Okay, so the manufacturer suggested retail price is $45, and this product is in the category of a treatment balm. Okay, so this is the other item that I chose, and I'm going to kind of match this one against, I have another one that I received from Influencer to try out, which I am doing, which is pretty amazing, I must say. But I also received one in my BoxyCharm, which we could talk about because they're sister companies. Okay, and that one was by Elemis, but that one was a straight liquid, where this one is a balm. So I'm very, very interested in the products that I received in this box. Okay, we do know what some of them are because we choose them ourselves. However, there are quite a few here that I really didn't know, you know, what they would be. The 111 skin, we're all really familiar with that. I'm not sure. Well, we'll talk about that when we do our create. All right, so these are the items that we received in our Ipsy Glam Bag X for the month of May. Down below, the manufacturer's total suggested retail price. Okay, now I do want to thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unbox the items that we have. Please, by all means, if you liked what you saw on today, if you have any questions, or if you'd like to send me a comment with the items that you have used, let me know, particularly about the one size palette, okay? And remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.